What do you think about the environment? Tell me something about the environment you know. What do you think about the environment?
The environment now is very polluted.
Mm-hmm. And put it out.
Um,
So you know, what are the environment? What are the environment? About this, the air, water, land, a people, animal, and plant live in our earth, and we call they are the environment, right?
yeah.
Yes. So tell me something about the environment. What do you think about the environment nowadays?
Uh, the air is polluted
Mm-hmm. Yes, what else?
because, because of smoke from motorbike and cars.
Yes, smoke from maybe about this. Mhm. What else? What else?
And water in river and lake is polluted by
And you know
by
nowadays, yes, okay, you can use that.
uh, polluted by garbage.
Mm-hmm. What else? Okay, so now I will give you some information about the environment nowadays. You know, there's many ethic choose our life, maybe about this climate, the general weather condition usually found in the particular place, and the Mediterranean climate is good for growing citrus fruit or grape. And nowadays, climate trend, there has been a growing concern about climate change. And next one about the deforestation, the cutting down. People often cutting down of the trees in larger areas, the destruction of forests by people, and deforestation is destroying large areas of the tropical rainforest. Do you agree about this?
Yes.
Mhm, yeah, right. And then another one about the earthquake. The violent movement of the Earth's surface, sometimes causing great damage, right? And maybe about this environment like the air, water, and land is or on which people, animals, and plant live. Certain chemical has been banned because of their damaging effect on the environment. And one things I would like to give you about the global warming. Yeah. Gradual increase in the world temperatures caused by polluting gas such as carbon dioxide, which are collecting in airs around the earth and preventing hot escaping into space. So that reason make about the greenhouse effect. An increase in the amount of carbon dioxide and other gas in the atmosphere would believed to be the cause of the gradual warming of the surface of the earth. So this is something popular that's affect to our life today. So next one. Yes. Can you tell me, do you often use plastic bag or maybe about the um, nylon bag? You often use that.
Yes, I do.
Yes, right. So can you tell me it is good or bad for the environment with the plastic bag or the nylon bag?
I think it's bad for the environment.
Mm-hmm. Is that right? I think it's not good. So you know why?
Mm, because
Because it's difficult to decompose, right? Tại vì những cái túi nhựa này hoặc là túi ni lông làm sao nó rất là khó để phân hủy đúng không? Chúng ta thấy rằng việc sử dụng cái túi nhựa hoặc túi ni lông là nó rất là ảnh hưởng đến môi trường của chúng ta. Because of it's difficult to decompose. Okay. All right. So now, next one, let's talk about the topic environment and tell me something what you should do to protect the environment, please. And the first question for you, can you tell me what are environmental problems nowadays? Can you list me some problem environment? I think we have many problems. Maybe in problem in Vietnam nowadays.
mm, water pollution.
Mm. About this air pollution, you know?
Yes.
Yeah. And next one, what else? The water pollution. Yes, right.
Yeah.
All right. So can you tell me something about the water pollution in Vietnam nowadays? Because of you can see the environment pollution in Vietnam, although environmental pollution in Vietnam is at a controllable rate, the effect of industrialization and modernization seem to make it worse. In addition, the assessments of some international organizations about the environment in Vietnam do not show too many roles. Color signal, water pollution, and air pollution are frequently considered as two main reasons for this problem. So can you tell me something about the water pollution in Vietnam nowadays?
Water pollution
Mhm.
can
Mhm. The reason make the water pollution là lý do vì sao lại có bị dẫn đến cái ô nhiễm nguồn nước nhỉ? Và nó thường diễn ra ở đâu như đâu?
water pollution
What?
water pollution by garbage.
Garbage. And what else? Have many reasons to make the water pollution in Vietnam. You know, in some remote areas, some people don't have enough clean water to use, right? As a result, they have to use water from the river or the lake, and they contain some substances that affect health. Moreover, water filtration systems are impossible to meet the needs of people. And you know, the rivers and lakes are contaminated by the factories, right? The factory that pour waste into them. Chúng ta thấy rằng hầu hết này, cái việc ô nhiễm nguồn nước này thường diễn ra ở những cái vùng sâu vùng xa thiếu thốn nước, đúng không? Họ thường dùng nước mưa này, dùng nước suối, dùng nước sông này. Bên cạnh đó, cái việc dẫn đến ô nhiễm nguồn nước ở đây đó là gì? Nguyên nhân đó là các nhà máy làm sao? Thải các chất độc ra sông ra suối và không có một cái hỗ trợ gì để lọc chất thải cả, đúng không? Cái xử lý chất thải không phù hợp, rồi dẫn đến nó gì, cái ô nhiễm nguồn nước này gây ra các thiệt hại rất là lớn, rồi nó gây ra các loại bệnh dịch này, rồi là dẫn đến ô nhiễm nguồn nước và phá hủy các hoạt động của con người. Alright, so with that
Yes.
you can find many information on the internet, okay, at home if you have the time. Okay, and this one about the air pollution. What do you think about the air pollution in Vietnam?
Air pollution
What are the air pollution in Vietnam nowadays? Because air pollution is another major problem in Vietnam. Yeah. So can you tell me something about the air pollution?
Air pollution is caused by smoke from vehicle because Vietnam has a lot of motorbike.
Mm. The smoke related from the motorbikes, cars, truck, or some vehicle thus make likely the spread air in the city, right? Okay, what else?
Uh,
Only smoke from vehicle like motorbike, car, or what else?
the smoke from factory.
Mm-hmm.
Many vehicles are too old.
Mm-hmm. About and nowadays Vietnam is developing economics and in other fields increase the appearance of the industrial zone. Therefore, dust is dramatically increased, right? And the dust rate in our country is quite high, especially on low temperature days of dry air, right? Okay, what else? So about the air pollution or the water pollution. So that's make the what it is affect to people. Nó đem lại nó đến những cái ảnh hưởng gì đối với con người nhỉ? Đối với những cái ô nhiễm nguồn nước hay là ô nhiễm không khí như vậy?
Uh, the air pollution affect the health of the human.
Mm-hmm. The house, right? Okay. So we have some pollution problem here, like as you say about the air pollution, water pollution, and beside it about the land pollution and the plastic pollution, and we call this the correlation. All right. So here we have some information to talk about the environment here. So now, Link, can you read that information, please?
Mm. As we all are well familiar with the environment, it is everything which surrounds us naturally and affects our daily life on the earth. Everything comes under an environment, the air which we breathe every moment,
Yeah.
the water which we use for our daily routine, plants, animals, and all the living things around us. An environment is called healthy environment when natural side go side by side without any disturbance, any type of disturbance.
Mm.
So balance affects the environment totally with ruins the human life. Now, in the era of advanced living standard of the human being, our environment is getting affected to a great extent by the means of air pollution, noise pollution, deforest, deforestation, water pollution, soil pollution, acid rain, and other dangerous
Mhm.
diseases created by the human beings through technological advancement. We must take an what together to protect our natural environment to keep it safe as
Okay.
usual forever.
Yeah, that's all. As we all are well familiar with the environment is everything which surrounds us naturally and affect our daily life in Earth. Everything comes under an environment. The air which we breathe every moment, the water which we use for our daily routines, plants, animals, and other living things, and so on around us. An environment is called healthy environments where natural cycle goes side by side without any disturbance. Any types of disturbance in a nature plant affect the environment totals which runs the human lives. Now, in the years of advanced living standard of the human being, our environment is getting affected to a great extent by the means of air pollution, noises, and pollution, deforestation, water pollution, soil pollution, acid rain, and other dangerous diseases created by the human being through technological advancement. We all must take an oath together to protect our natural environment to keep it safe as usual forever. Rồi chúng ta sẽ để hiểu thêm một số thông tin này. Tôi sẽ giúp Khánh Minh dịch nhé. Ta thấy rằng là nhỉ, thì tất cả chúng ta này đều đã quá quen thuộc với môi trường đúng không? Tất cả đó là những cái thứ mà xung quanh cuộc sống của chúng ta một cách rất là tự nhiên đấy, và nó có ảnh hưởng rất là nhiều đến cuộc sống hàng ngày của chúng ta trên trái đất này. Tất cả mọi thứ thì đều tồn tại trong một cái môi trường chúng ta gọi là môi trường này, chúng ta sống trong môi trường. Không khí mà chúng ta hít thở mỗi ngày này, từng giây từng phút này. Ngoài ra là nước mà chúng ta sử dụng cho sinh hoạt hàng ngày này, rồi là cho các loài thực vật, các loài động vật và các sinh vật khác sống ở trên trái đất và xung quanh chúng ta. Ngoài ra này, một cái môi trường được gọi là môi trường lành mạnh khi mà cái hoạt động chu kỳ diễn ra một cách rất là tự nhiên song song với nó mà không có cái sự xáo trộn, không có sự xáo trộn hoặc là bị thay đổi nào đó. Và bất kỳ các loại thay đổi nào trong cái sự cân bằng của tự nhiên thì đều dẫn đến ảnh hưởng đến môi trường hoàn toàn và có thể hủy hoại đến cuộc sống của con người chúng ta. Hiện nay này, nào hiện nay trong thời đại công nghiệp, đời sống nâng cao, mức sống của con người ngày càng được nâng cao, môi trường của chúng ta thì đang bị ảnh hưởng nghiêm trọng bởi ô nhiễm không khí này, ô nhiễm tiếng ồn này, rồi bị phá rừng này, ô nhiễm nguồn nước này, ô nhiễm đất này, mưa axit và ngoài ra còn có các thảm họa nguy hiểm khác mà do con người ờ, tác động đến thông qua các công nghệ. Và tất cả chúng ta phải cùng nhau cố gắng hứa rằng phải bảo vệ được cái môi trường tự nhiên của chúng ta để giữ cho cuộc sống của chúng ta an toàn mãi mãi. Okay, so you understand with the information here?
Yes.
Okay, so next one, please tell me some way to protect the environment. Tell me the way to protect the environment, you know. So we have
Uh,
one way to protect the environment. Can you tell me?
limit the use of plastic bag.
Okay. Well,
Do not waste garbage
mm,
into the environment.
yeah. Okay. Good idea. Whatever. So do you think about the reduce, and recycle? Have you ever hear that word? Bây giờ mình nghe từ cái cụm này gọi là giảm thiểu, tái sử dụng và tái chế nữa. Reduce, reuse và recycle. Cái bài này hình như chúng ta thấy ở trong tiếng Anh lớp 6 có nhắc đến các phần tái chế, có nhắc đến cái từ này đấy. So you remember about that?
Yes.
All right. This one, reduce, reuse, or recycle is cut down on what you threw away and follow those three R, like about the reduce, reuse, and recycle to conserve natural resources and landfill space. Okay. What else? Chúng ta làm gì nữa nhỉ? What can you do to help protect the earth or protect the environment?
Plenty to protect the air.
Protect the air. How to protect the air? Thì chúng ta làm cách nào để sao bảo vệ môi trường không khí nhỉ? Bằng cách nào?
Plenty.
We have many. Okay. All right. So listen, I will help you. Maybe I will give you some things you can do to help protect the environment, like the radio with you and recycle I said with you. And next one about the volunteer. I think the volunteers for cleanup in your communities, you can get involved in protect your wasters. And next one about the educate. When you further your own education, you can help others understand the importance and value of our natural resources. And next one about the conserve of water. The less water you use, the less runoff and wastewater thus eventually end up in the ocean. And next one about the maybe plant a tree. Yeah, maybe this is a good idea to plant a tree. Trees provide food and oxygen. They help save energy, clean the air, and help combat climate change. So I think this is a good idea. I mean, this is a easy way. People can plant many trees in our the place people live, right?
Yeah.
Mhm. And one more thing I want to give you about don't send chemical into our waterways. and choose a non-toxic chemical in the home or office. Yes. And about the bike, I think people drive list with some vehicle like cars, motorbike because of that make the air is polluted. All right.
Yes.
Okay. So next time you can see here there are something to make this environment polluted like the paper, the plastic, glass, metals, organic, batteries, light bulb, e-waste, or mixed. Uh, So that's the way you can put something here like in X can, yeah. Like this of the paper in the put in the paper, plastic in the plastic, glass in the glass, and the last one meter in the meter can. Like this. And here you can grow many trees or plant the tree. Yes. And next one about the saver water. Give water or give light. Yeah, this is the idiom. Give water and give life. The next one, water is life. Okay, here. So, yes. So look at this one about this environmental problem in your ears. I would like you to prepare a short paragraph and recording about this topic environment problem in your ears, and then give me some course and the solution about the environment in your ears. You understand?
Yes.
Ok. Vậy thì đối với cái phần này, cô muốn Khánh Ly về nhà chuẩn bị giúp cô một cái đoạn thông tin và record lại với cô, đó là về chủ đề environment, cái vấn đề về môi trường ở nơi này Khánh Ly sinh sống, và đưa ra đó là nguyên nhân tại sao lại dẫn đến các hiện tượng đó này, các vấn đề đó là gì, nguyên nhân tại sao dẫn đến hiện tượng đó và các giải pháp chúng ta nên thực hiện nó là gì. Ok,
Yeah.
this is your homework. So wait me a second. I want to you do another exam. Okay, look at this one. I would like you to do the last exercise. I would like you to listen. Yeah. And to know more something about the daisies. What did Daisy do last week? Listen and draw a line from the day to the correct pictures. You have we have a six picture here, and we have the days from Monday to Sunday. Wait a second. Okay, this one. Listen and draw a line from the days to the correct picture here. So first one, before you listen, can you tell me what can you see in each picture? I would like you to understand with each picture and then you listen. That's make your listen easier. So in picture A, what can you see?
Mm, the girl.
The girls. Where is the girl?
The one there. Have a picnic.
Yes, the girl had a picnic near the river. Okay, what about picture C?
The girl looking at the buildings.
Mm. Okay, next one, picture C.
She watching the film.
Okay, watching the film. Next one, picture D.
The girl go shopping.
Okay, picture E. Where is the girl? In picture E. Maybe she sits in the chair and it's near to the river. And listen, opposite we have the building and the car, right?
Yes.
Okay. And what about the picture F? What can you see? Where is she?
She eating. She eating and looking at the picture.
Mhm. Maybe she is eating something right. We have the lunch or dinner. Okay. So now to know more, what did Daisy do last week from Monday to Sunday? With the example here, right? Picture B with the Sunday. Now listen and map the pictures with the day. Okay?
22B. A trip to the city. Look at the pictures. What did Daisy do last week? Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello, Daisy. Did you go to the city last week?
Yes, Uncle Tony. Sunday was great.
Was that your first day there?
Yes. Dad bought our tickets. Then we got on the train. You can travel to the city really quickly.
I know.
Can you see the line from the word Sunday? On Sunday, Daisy went on the train. Now you listen and draw lines. 1.
What did you do on Tuesday? The weather here was very sunny that day.
On Tuesday, we went for a boat ride on the river.
Wow!
Our seats were at the front by a screen that told us about important places. I wore my best clothes that day.
2.
And Monday was good too.
Did you go shopping that day?
Mum wanted to be quiet that day. We went for a quick walk round a lake.
I like doing things like that.
Me too. And we had a picnic there.
3.
What about on Saturday?
I think we went shopping that day. Yes, that's right.
Did you buy anything?
Well, we got some food and Mum and I looked at the clothes.
Was that exciting?
No, I think it's more exciting to be outside.
4.
It rained a lot one day. We went to the cinema.
Which day was that? Was it Wednesday?
No, it was Friday. The screen was really big.
And what was the film about?
Some children who sailed to another country.
5.
And tell me about Thursday.
Okay. On Thursday, we had lunch in a cafe. We sat and watched all the people and cars and buses. The street was really busy.
What did you eat?
I don't know, but it was nice. I loved being in the city.
Okay, so you have an answer?
Yes.
All right, have answer, right? So tell me, Monday, what is 3 day?
Monday. A.
Oh, Monday with picture eyes.
Monday F.
Okay, what about Tuesdays?
Tuesday A.
Mm. Wednesday.
Oh. Wednesday E.
Okay. What about Thursday?
Thursday C.
Thursday, picture C. Friday.
Oh.
Friday and Saturday. And picture D. Which Friday or Saturday?
Saturday.
Okay, Saturday. Now we'll check the answer. Yes. Look at this one. On Tuesday, that with the picture E is not A. It's Monday with A. Mondays have a picnic. Saturday with picture D, alright. Friday with picture C, not Thursday. And the last one, picture A with Thursday. Okay, so now I would like you to listen again and then compare with the answer. And know more why the answer is this. Oh.